Is your Ford Focus key fob not working? The most common causes are a dead battery or a need for resynchronization. Start with battery replacement using a CR2032 lithium battery. Pry open the fob carefully with a flat screwdriver, being careful not to damage the rubber seal. Insert the new battery with the positive side facing up, then snap the fob shut securely. If battery replacement doesn't fix the issue, try resynchronizing the fob. Cycle the ignition key on and off 3 times. Then press and hold the lock and unlock buttons on the fob simultaneously. Alternatively, access the key fob settings in your sync system under the Vehicle menu. Check your owner's manual or the Ford Pass app for specific instructions. A simple resync can resolve up to 70% of key fob issues. If resyncing doesn't work, the issue might be with your Ford Focus's central locking system. Try resetting it by turning the ignition on and off multiple times or holding the lock-unlock buttons. For deeper resets, diagnostic tools like ForceScan software can be used, but be cautious as improper use can cause BCM damage. Professional assistance is recommended for complex issues to avoid voiding warranties. Looking ahead, traditional key fobs are becoming less critical as Ford integrates smartphone-based keyless entry via the Ford Pass app. Newer models are trending towards hybrid fobs with proximity sensors and eventually biometric keys, reducing reliance on batteries and traditional remotes. By 2030, app-only entry is expected to dominate new Ford vehicles.